Hello and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn an image into a link. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe because we are very close to 100 subscribers. But without any further ado, let's get on into the video. Okay, so here is how we make an image a link. And this video is gonna make more sense if you've watched my previous two videos. They're on images and links. So over here, I'm just gonna start off with an H1, and I'm just called this H1, and I'm gonna put in here Tesla. And now below our H1, I'm gonna create a link. So remember, to create a link, we have to go $sign a href equals, and over here we put the link to the site that we want to go to. So for me, this is going to be tesla.com. Okay, and then I close off the a tag, and VS Code makes the closing tag. And over here inside, in between these two a tags, here we put in our image tag. So over here we do $sign img src, so source equals quotations, and I'm just gonna paste in my source. And so you see over here image source, and here is the source of the image. And now all I have to do is close off the image tag right over here, and you see everything's good. Make sure to close off this image tag, because as you see, if I don't close it, there's going to be a problem right over here. So yeah, just make sure to close that. But yeah, that's basically all there is to making an image a link. So let's try running this. And it's the same thing that we do. File, save. And now let's go over to our file explorer. And over here, let's go to our recent, images and all of that. So mine shows up in recents right over here. This file is called Tesla. So now all I have to do is double click this, and it's going to open up a new Chrome tab. Okay, so as you see, here's my file, and here's our H1, and here's the image. And so usually with a normal image, whenever you hover over it, it doesn't turn into a clicker like this. It turns into this, or it stays like that. But since this is a link, it turns like this, and now all we have to do is click this, and boom, it takes us to the Tesla webpage. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Peace.